Hello! Today we are going to describe this picture of a young girl in her bedroom. In this picture, we can see a happy girl in her bedroom. She is cleaning and tidying up her toys. The girl has brown hair in 2 pigtails. She is wearing a red and white striped t-shirt and blue shorts. She is smiling because she is happy. She is putting colorful blocks into a blue toy box on the floor. The room is very colorful. In the middle, there is a white bed with a pink pillow and a pink checkered blanket. Next to the bed, there is a purple dresser with rainbow drawers. A purple dinosaur and a brown teddy bear are sitting on top of the dresser. On the right side, there is a big round yellow window. Outside the window, the sky is blue and the sun is shining. There is also a green shelf with books and folded clothes. On the floor, there is a pink rug with stars. We can see a brown laundry basket and some clothes on the rug. The girl is working hard to make her room neat. It is a very bright and pretty room. Thank you for listening.